Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Welcome to Vault of Civilizations, exploring Korea's legendary Siberian tiger documentary journey today.
Tiny tiger cubs begin life with protection, care, and natural wilderness guidance.
Growing Siberian tiger cubs develop strength through nature's challenging wilderness lessons.
Wild instincts awaken as young tigers explore their natural forest environment.
Siberian tigers represent strength, beauty, and incredible wildlife heritage across Korea.
Vault of Civilizations documents wildlife protection through careful conservation efforts. Scientists study tiger movements, protecting these magnificent creatures through advanced technology. Rare tiger footage reveals the hidden world of Korea's powerful predator.
Today, we discover how tiger inspiration creates extraordinary luxury masterpieces. Discover incredible tiger-inspired creations, craftsmanship, technology, and unforgettable manufacturing stories worldwide.
A modern factory begins transforming creative ideas into stunning tiger designs.
Creative designers develop realistic tiger visions using advanced digital technology today.
Safe, innovative materials create beautiful products inspired by legendary Siberian tigers.
Premium materials prepare the foundation for luxury tiger-themed collections worldwide. Precision machinery shapes materials with exceptional accuracy and professional craftsmanship.
Elegant handbags combine tiger inspiration with modern luxury fashion design.
Skilled artisans create stylish accessories with detailed tiger-inspired patterns.
Fashion technology creates unique footwear, celebrating powerful tiger aesthetics beautifully. Modern fashion collections showcase bold tiger designs for global customers.
Strict inspections ensure premium quality across every finished tiger-inspired product.
Soft tiger toys bring wildlife imagination safely into homes worldwide. Advanced molding techniques create realistic and adorable tiger toy designs. Detailed craftsmanship makes every tiger toy look incredibly realistic.
Every toy passes careful inspection before reaching happy customers.
Ceramic experts transform creative ideas into elegant tiger sculptures.
Artists carefully sculpt powerful tiger forms with amazing precision. Heat treatment strengthens sculptures, creating durable artistic masterpieces.
Hand painting adds lifelike details to every tiger masterpiece.
Premium finishes create beautiful sculptures, admired by collectors worldwide.
Metal artisans craft powerful bronze tiger sculptures using traditional methods. Polishing reveals stunning details across every bronze tiger creation. Luxury gold finishes transform tiger ornaments into elegant collectibles.
Protective layers preserve beauty and durability of luxury ornaments.
Creative artists design impressive tiger wall decorations for interiors. Intricate patterns create unique tiger-inspired home decoration pieces.
Complete collections showcase creativity, technology, and artistic excellence together.
Showrooms present extraordinary creations inspired by Korea's legendary tiger.
Global customers discover unique tiger-inspired luxury products everywhere.
Worldwide buyers appreciate innovative designs and exceptional craftsmanship.
Careful packaging protects every masterpiece during global transportation. Luxury packaging enhances customer experience with elegant presentation.
Modern warehouses organize collections ready for worldwide distribution.
Modern fashion celebrates tiger inspiration through stylish collections.
Exhibitions celebrate tiger culture through incredible artistic innovation.
Technology and teamwork maintain exceptional production standards daily.
Innovation continues creating new tiger-inspired luxury possibilities. Nature-inspired research improves realistic artistic designs continuously.
Digital creativity expands tiger storytelling through modern technology. Large decorations transform spaces with powerful tiger aesthetics. Expert assembly creates impressive tiger attractions worldwide.
Safety testing guarantees reliable and durable tiger creations. Small details create unforgettable artistic masterpieces for audiences.
Experts share knowledge behind incredible tiger-inspired manufacturing processes.
Traditional skills combined with modern technology, creating excellence. Every production stage reveals dedication and innovation. Amazing details showcase creativity behind every finished product.
Elegant handbags represent premium tiger-inspired fashion collections.
Accessories combine practical design with artistic tiger inspiration.
Stylish footwear reflects modern fashion and creative imagination.
Fashion collections celebrate bold tiger designs with elegance. Playful designs bring tiger stories closer to families.
Art galleries celebrate remarkable tiger-inspired craftsmanship worldwide.
Bronze masterpieces demonstrate incredible artistic dedication and skill.
Golden decorations create luxurious symbols of creativity.
Tiger artwork transforms ordinary spaces into inspiring environments.
Global appreciation grows for Korean creative manufacturing excellence.
Teamwork creates success through passion, innovation, and dedication.
Vault of Civilizations shares extraordinary journeys from Korea worldwide. One vision connects wildlife inspiration and artistic manufacturing. Korea's tiger legacy inspires generations through creativity and respect.
Amazing craftsmanship creates unforgettable tiger-inspired luxury masterpieces today. Modern facilities continue creating incredible designs around the clock. Dedicated artisans celebrate their achievements with global audiences.
Worldwide exhibitions showcase Korean creativity and innovation.
Our documentary reveals amazing manufacturing stories from Korea.
Innovation continues building future masterpieces through endless creativity. Vault of Civilizations brings unforgettable documentaries directly to viewers.
Subscribe for more incredible manufacturing journeys around the world.
Hello guys, welcome back to another documentary and welcome back to Vault of Civilization. So today we present Korean giant tiger factory, an extraordinary documentary journey from the snowy Siberian tiger wilderness to the state-of-the-art of manufacturing facility where raw materials transform into stunning luxury masterpiece. Our wide uniform team with Vault of Civilization printing reveals how wildlife inspiration powers creative craftsmen across fashion, accessories, ceramics, sculpture, bronze, artworks, plush toys and decorative pieces. Watch designers, artists and engineering combine traditional skills with modern technology to create premium tigers inspired collections. From paper design to bronze casting, from gold plating to quality inspection, every stage showcases Korean manufacturing excellence. Global distribution connects these remarkable creations with the customers worldwide. Subscribe for more incredible manufacturing documentary and don't forget to press the bell icon. Until that time, see you in the next video.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.